Hi, I'm Jason Stahl, and I'm here with Dan Reutter from U-POL. Today's video will be the last of a 4-part series which covers U-POL's premium line of aerosols. Dan, can you tell us a little bit about U-POL's premium aerosols?
Sure, thanks for having me today, Jason. U-POL offers a full line of aerosols to complete a smart repair on metal, plastic, or fiberglass substrates, which saves time and money as it eliminates the need to use or clean spray equipment. All of U-POL's premium aerosols feature clog-free nozzles that give a spray gun-like finish to every job, and all the aerosols also comply with the 6H rule for out-of-booth application, making them the perfect solution for smart repairs on multiple substrates.
Dan, what will we be demonstrating today?
Today, I'd like to demonstrate 2 types of repairs. First, I'd like to show you how to restore the color of a piece of faded trim using our Trim 11 aerosol series. Trim 11 is the perfect solution for restoring the original appearance of trim, body panels, underhood, chassis, and wheels. With Trim 11, you can replicate the factory look in one coat, and the product dries to a truer black than competitive trim aerosols. Trim 11 bonds directly to bare steel, aluminum, existing paint surfaces, and even flexible plastics, so it eliminates the need for an adhesion promoter.
That sounds great. What will you demonstrate in the second application?
The second demonstration, I'll show how to repair a plastic bumper using only 4 aerosols from the U-POL's premium aerosol line.
All right, perfect. Shall we get started?
Let's go.
Here we have a faded piece of black trim. First, I'm going to clean and degrease the piece of trim with UP 2002 water-based degreaser to remove surface contaminants. While that's drying, I'll shake my can of UP0878 Trim 11 satin for 2 minutes. Next, I'll apply 1 good covering coat of UP0878 Trim 11 satin black about 6 to 10 inches from the surface. Once dry, it's ready to go. No need for a clear coat. It's that easy.
Wow, Dan, that really is a quick and easy repair. Can you summarize the benefits of the Trim 11 aerosol line?
Sure, of course. Jason, to summarize, there's 6 different Trim 11 aerosols in matte, satin, and gloss finishes. Trim 11 can replicate the factory look of body panels, trim, underhood, chassis, and wheels in as little as 1 coat and dries to a truer black than other brands on the market. It bonds directly to bare steel, aluminum, existing paint surfaces, and even plastics, so there's no need for an adhesion promoter. In certain applications like the trim demonstration today, Trim 11 also eliminates the need to apply a clear coat because of the product's sheen.
That's great. Dan, are we ready to begin the second demonstration?
Absolutely. Next, I'll show you how to repair a plastic bumper using only 4 aerosols from U-POL's premium aerosol line. Excellent.
Shall we get started?
Absolutely. Let's go.
First, I'm going to clean and degrease with UP2002 water-based degreaser. Next, I'll apply Grip 4 Universal Adhesion Promoter roughly 10 inches from the surface and allow a 10-minute flash time between my coats. While that's drying, I'll shake my can of Spot 3 for 2 minutes. Next, I'll apply 1 to 2 coats of Spot 3 about 10 inches from the surface. After 20 minutes, it'll be ready to apply the base coat. As a reminder, U-POL offers a few different custom can machine styles, ranging from manual, pneumatic, and electric machines. I'm going to apply my color in our UP0851 Fill 1 solvent-based aerosol that can hold up to 100 milliliters of paint. I'll shake the UP0851 Fill 1 can for 2 minutes. Next, I'll spray 1 to 2 coats at 6 inches from the surface. Please be sure to follow the paint manufacturer's instructions for proper dry times. Now that the paint's dried, I'm ready to apply the UP0796 Clear 1 as the final finish. After shaking the can of Clear 1 for 2 minutes, I'll apply 1 to 2 coats approximately 10 inches from the surface with a 5 to 10 minute flash time between coats.
Wow, that was a great demonstration today, Dan. Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me today, Jason.
Sure. Hey, could you please recap what you showed us in the second demonstration?
In the second demonstration, I performed a plastic bumper repair using our Grip 4, Spot 3, UP0 851, Fill 1, and Clear 1 premium aerosols. Grip 4 promotes paint adhesion to multiple substrates including metal, plastic, body filler, and fiberglass. It sprays flat and provides a protective barrier against lifting or solvents. Then I applied our Spot 3 Spot Primer, which is 2 products in 1. Spot 3 can be used on both metal and plastic. It's a fast-drying primer that's ideal for small rub-throughs and localized repairs. It's highly flexible and easy to sand. Then I used one of our Fill 1 solvent-based aerosol cans to apply the base coat. Fill 1 aerosol cans hold up to 100 milliliters of paint, and like our premium aerosols, they also produce a clog-free, spray gun-like finish. Our Clear 1 is an advanced 1K clear coat that gives an excellent high-gloss finish and excellent depth for a seamless, well-blended repair. It's ideal for spot repairs like fenders, bumper covers, mirror covers, and moldings. Clear 1 is fast-drying for increased productivity, UV-resistant for exceptional durability, and is compatible with most waterborne and solvent-based base coats.
All right, perfect. Dan, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having me today, Jason.
Sure. And where can people find more information about these products?
For more information on U-POL products, visit u-pol.com.
Awesome. Thanks, Dan. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.